Welcome to my channel, Saving Mamacita. This is the home of Rate That Box. Yes, that's right. We do a lot of subscription box unboxings here. Today is a beauty box unboxing that we have in fact unboxed this brand several times in the past. And I have got to say, every time keeps getting better and better. So the question is, can Glossybox top the last box? Let's go ahead and get into Glossybox Limited Edition Christmas Box.
A few moments later.
Glossybox is a beauty box subscription box. If you go to their website at glossybox.com, you can see that they are all about beauty, self-care, grooming. Heck, they even got a box for men. That's right. We did do an unboxing. You can check that out right up there of the grooming kits. And they have really stepped up their game since I initially started unboxing Glossybox. This box is a limited edition. It is blue and gold. So pretty. And on the front, it says, "Surprise me." Is super cute. Here's what the box looks like inside. Prince loves it. This is Prince Miguel. He loves to join in at my unboxing sometimes. This one is not for him, unfortunately, but he does love unboxings. Okay, so right on the top, they do have a brochure that includes all of the products that are inside this box. Love that. As you can see, there are a lot of different products in there, and next to each item, they have the retail price as well as a tip on how to use each product. So that is very cool as well. So on the top, it says, "We are so excited to finally share with you the 2021 Holiday Limited Edition. This luxury collection is full of treats to make you feel pretty and pampered during this beautiful time of year." Or any time of year, really. As you can see, it's got some beautiful gold foiled paper with a cute little sticker on it, which looks like a crown. Opening it up. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is beautiful. Right off the top, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. This is Kawaii Girl Cosmetics. This is a loose shimmer powder, Allerton. It says this multifunctional loose shimmer powder is exactly what you need to add a little pop to your look. Whether you need to have glittery eyeshadow, highlight to your cheekbones, or add a little sparkle to your lips, this bold pigment can do it all. So let's open this. The price on this is $15. Has some fun little sparklies in there. See that? And here is the little container. So cute. It's got the pink top. Opening it up. Ooh. Look at that. Definitely it's got that shimmer in there. Love that. We have a Fakai CBD Scalp Calming Shampoo and Hydrating Mask. This amazing duo is tailored for sensitive scalps and dry hair that are looking for a clean and healthy glow. They help calm and soothe your scalp, hydrate dry hair, and are proven to be safe on color and keratin treated hair. They work together to bind moisture into the hair and dramatically reduce breakage. So there should be another one in here to complete the set. I am not seeing that. This one is just the shampoo for fine to medium hair. So I am not seeing this other part of this duo. Interesting. So I guess we just got the shampoo. Next we have a collagen eye patch. This one is not on the sheet at all. Instead, it looks like what was initially supposed to be in here was a lip mask. This is from a collagen eye mask from LAPCOS. Next we have ooh, this is cute. It's in this white little cinched bag. This is Neolastin Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. I need this for the winters here. Formulated with high quality ingredients and revolutionary technology, this moisturizer, suitable for all skin types, nourishes your skin with anti-aging hydrating moisture that revitalizes and restores skin's texture and gives it a more radiant look and feel. So deluxe size retail price is $56. I think this is the deluxe. It's 18 mLs. This would be considered a deluxe, yes. So $56 for this one. Here's the container. That's what it looks like. It has the little peel off lid and the cream. So definitely a good size. Not sure that's worth $56, but okay. That is the moisturizer, Neolastin. This is by Bloom Effects Dutch Dirt Masks. Ooh, I love masks. This is an exfoliating scrub and mask in one. This formula combines the best of chemical and physical exfoliation to create a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse. Plants and fruit enzymes and floral acids teamed with Dutch peat, volcanic sand, and kaolin clay work to purify, detoxify, and renew dull and congested skin. Wow! $49 retail on this bad boy right here. Next product, we have a Voce Viva Valentino. This is a scent. Voce Viva Eau de Parfum. This scent is an ode to Valentino's femininity, a harmony of couture orange blossom and golden gardenia, paired with colorful Italian bergamots and mandarin. This fragrance is made addictive through an unexpected cool note of crystal moss and vanilla perfume. The deluxe mini is worth, 7 mLs is worth $9.45, and the full size 100 mLs is $135. This is a cute little bottle here. Let's smell it. Yeah, it's pretty good. It does have a little fruity scent to it. Let's put it on. Yeah, I do like that. We've got the Milk Makeup, like this brand a lot. This is the Mini Lip and Cheek Werk-Dusty Rose. This easy 2-in-1 Dusty Rose Cream Stick doubles as a hydrating sheer blush and lip tint and builds as you swipe. So lips and cheeks in one. Its mango butter and avocado oil infused formula hydrates and blends seamlessly into the skin. You can dot it onto the cheeks or swipe it onto your lips for a hint of color and hydration. Blends with fingertips. This has a retail value of $20. I have definitely tried this brand. I've tried their blush. I do enjoy it. This is a different color than what I've had. I don't remember what the color is, but this is called Work. So let's take a look. Here's what the color is. Ooh, I like that. It's almost like a, let's take a look here. That's what it looks like on my skin. Not too bold, not too subtle. I like that. Let's try the lips. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. That's Milk Work. You better work. Work. Final product we have. It's called By Terry. Here's what this looks like. It looks like this one was also not included in the box, so I'm not quite sure what this is. Oh, it's a lip gloss. So it's By Terry. The color is Baume de Rose. Baume de Rose. So it comes with this applicator. Very moisturizing. Tastes like rose. But it is very moisturizing, for sure. That concludes the limited edition Christmas box, you guys. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will rate that box. We got the By Terry Rose, the Kawaii CBD Scalp Calming Shampoo, Dirt Mask, the Collagen Eye Patch, Milk Makeup Blush, AJC Powder Highlighter, Neolastin Moisturizer, the Voce Viva Valentino Perfume. Let's go ahead, you guys, and rate that box. 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 Okay, Glossybox. This was definitely a fun limited edition box to receive. I love the presentation as usual. This box is super glamorous, super cute. I love it. I love the color. I love the way it was packaged. It is perfectly packaged. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the variety. You've got makeup, you've got moisturizer, you've got skincare, you've got perfume, you've got hair care, a wide variety of items, which is something that I love to see in the box. The only thing that I was kind of disappointed was with the 2 items that were not included in the box. We didn't get information on the 2 items that they were replaced with. So that made it a little difficult for me I'm gonna have to do some digging and share that information with you in my description area. So be sure to check that out. You're getting a lot for your money, which I really do enjoy. And yeah, so overall, I'm satisfied with this box. Put our thinking hats on, you guys. We are about to give this Glossybox limited edition box a rating. Hit that drum roll, please. The Glossybox limited edition box gets a 7.5. Glossybox, you never fail to disappoint me with your presentation of your boxes. It's always beautifully packaged. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section down below, you guys, what you would rate this box. What items in this box would you like to try? Let me know. Thanks again, Glossybox. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell,